Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change default search engine in Opera GX Mobile. Let's get started. Open the Opera GX app on your mobile device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version for best performance. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap the red Opera GX logo. This opens the main menu. In the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. It might be near the bottom, depending on your screen size. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you find the option that says Search Engine. This is the section where you can customize which engine your browser uses by default. Now tap on Search Engine and you'll see a list including popular options like Google, fast and personalized, Bing, integrates well with Microsoft services, DuckDuckGo, great for privacy, Yahoo, and maybe even Yandex, depending on your region. Just tap on the search engine you prefer, and that's it. It will be set as your new default. Every time you search from the address bar, Opera GX will now use that engine. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.